Today I have a very special guest with me. This is Fluffy, and he's the love of my life. Finally, it's like I have found love again, and this little guy I plan to. Keeping a little baby rabbit with you next to you while sleeping may not be the most hygienic and may not be safe for the animal, but these little souls, I've realized they are just like children. So it's actually, it can make out that I'm. See, Jonu, you're coming on screen. So this is so special. This is the first introducing my little guy. Rabbits are very. You have to be very careful with them, yeah. Like in terms of fragile systems they have, and it is running. So yeah, and that is Anviko in the background, if you can see her, and she's holding a little black rabbit.
His name is Caramel.
Caramel, yeah, that's right. Caramel and
Fluffy.
Fluffy. So on that note, we'll catch you all in our next video. We have to take them out to a park right now. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.